doing, Lily? What you doing? You coming up the stairs to say hi? There you go. There you go, little girl. There you go. Oh, that's a sweet girl. Yes. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Why don't you go play with the little ball? Look at Scooter's got the ball. Go get Scoot. Scoot's got the ball. Where's Scooter? There he is. He's got the ball. There's Max. There's Max. There's Scoot. Scooter, you got the ball. Who's got the ball? Come here. Who's got the ball? Give me the ball. Oh, look what I got. Look what I got. Okay, go get it. Go get it. Go get the ball. Get it. Oh, that's a good dogs. Oh, Scooter's got it. Up. Okay. Yep, he's got it. There's the Scoot. He's got. Oh no! Now Lily's got the ball. I think it's tug of war time. Tug of war time. Oh my goodness. Okay, now you're up on the couch. There you are. There you are, sweetie. Here, let me get rid of my Kleenex. There we go. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Oh. Who's that? That's Holly. That's Holly. There's Max. Hi, Max. Okay, a pet for you too. All right. Okay, where's Scoot? He's over here. What you doing, Scoot? You got the ball? You got the ball? Oh. Here she comes. She's going to get the ball. Here she comes. Who's going to get the ball? Who's going to get it? Oh, no. Uh-oh. Lily, be nice. Don't hurt him. You're winning this time. There's another one over there, keeping an eye out, saying, what's going on here? And what do we got over here? We have Max, and we have Holly. There we go. There's a Holly girl, and there's Max. And what are these two little guys doing? Uh-oh, they're just still playing. I don't know. I think the ball is the best thing. That's what I think. It's right here. Look at that. There's a happy. There's a Maxie boy. There's a Holly girl. Maxie boy. Hello, Holly. Oh, that's a good girl. Hello, Max. Okay, I see you. You're right here. Oh, my goodness. Okay, you want some attention. Uh-oh. Somebody got my Kleenex, I think. Oh, you want to play too, don't you, Max? You want to play too, don't you? Oh, Maxie's got a toy. What you got, Max?